I love this new technique so much. Welcome to today's video. I'm excited about this video because, listen, this might be out there already. I just did a new technique for drying my hair for the summer. I'm like, how can I have the least frizz? And obviously the least frizzy hair this summer. How can I do that? So you get more frizz when you keep touching your hair. And I know I say not to touch it. I don't think I touch it, but I'm sure I'm touching it. Again, this is probably out there already. So this is not like, I'm not saying it's my idea. I just thought of it, doing it, and I did it. And oh my God, it worked so well. I bought these clips from Amazon months ago, and I just haven't had a chance to do this idea yet. I'm like, I'm gonna do it. I'm glad I waited until it was really humid out to really put it to the test. Originally, I wasn't thinking about the frizz. At first, I was like, oh, I wonder if that would work, like curlers, but just using clips, and my hair came out so good. And I've been doing it since. It dries my hair faster because it's separated, so it's getting the roots quicker. Never thought of that. And it's staying put. And it's not moving even just to go like this, because my hair does move when I'm diffusing it, but by putting in these clips it doesn't move at all. So that is even more reason to get less frizz. I did a short on it and you guys really liked it, so I'm gonna do a full video and I'm gonna show you how well these curls sit and last all night, all day, even in the humidity. Now, of course, we always need to use a product that works well for us. I'm using my Umberto Giannini. This is like my product of the year, I guess you could say. When I want good hair, I know to use the scrunching jelly. Their other products are good, but the scrunching jelly is my favorite. This is not about a hair product though, so use whatever you want. I'm putting the product in like I normally would. This part's not really different because I'm still gonna like scrunch for those curls. I think the first time I did it, I didn't put enough in the bottom. It seemed a little drier, but ever since I've been putting more in it, it works good. Okay, product is in, and this is where I take my clips. 1, 2, 3. I use 5. I think 5 works for me. You might not need to use that many. I have a lot of hair though, so let's see. I'm gonna start. I'm hardly even touching it now, but of course I gotta just get it going. Just like guiding it with my hands, but I'm not. So I kind of look like I'm in like a 60s video here, but you know, it works. And even if there's a couple of pieces, you can either tuck it in or just let it hang. It'll be fine as long as I scrunched the curls and set them, and now they're up and I don't have to touch them. And now and just dry by hoovering over it. And that's it, it's even easier. And again, because there's some separations here, it's gonna dry, the diffuse is gonna get in there quicker. So this is like the same concept as having rollers in your hair, but curly people can't do rollers because we already have the curls. So I think this is a better idea. I did it until I feel like it's dry, but of course we're gonna have to scrunch out. So let's just start removing. I don't want to touch it just yet. I want to dry a little more. Time to scrunch. Okay, see the difference when you scrunch it out and you don't scrunch it out? You don't want to stay like that. You want to be like this, right? A little more fluffier. I love this new technique so much. And I mean, I'm sure it has a lot to do with the product itself, but if you use a product that you know you like, that is just not going to work in the frizzy, humid, hot weather, we're going to put this to the test even more tonight because we're going to dinner near the beach. I'm sure we're going to be out there in the humidity, etc. And let's see. Every time I use those clips. Okay, so I will catch with you in a bit. That's looking good. This new technique is really good. I put it back up here just a little longer than because I can't stand it right face. Check it later. Hi Tara, we had a surprise party for Tara the other day and I'll show you in clips right now. Were you surprised? No, you weren't. You're such a liar. You were really? I was. Oh, here comes my food.